Nature has engineered creatures with astonishing adaptations that seem impossible to believe.
The cheetah's flexible spine and powerful muscles allow it to reach speeds faster than any land animal. An owl's soft, serrated feathers make every flight completely silent, perfect for hunting at night.
A chameleon sees all around it and can instantly change color thanks to its unique skin cells.
The electric eel produces hundreds of volts, using modified muscle cells as natural batteries.
The Arctic fox's thick fur and seasonal color change let it survive in extreme frozen environments. These incredible adaptations show how evolution has perfected survival in the animal kingdom.